You are scared to go outside. You feel like floating around all the time. Everything seems so unreal. And you just stay at your home and search for help. But no one can help you. That's called depersonalization, mixed with depression and anxiety. That's so fucked up. If I cut my arm right now, you will be able to see some blood or something. But nobody is able to see your problem. Because it's in here, you know. You've gone through some big trauma or some big problems, and your body found a way to get out of those problems in being depersonalized, in being fucked up. I'm raw. I'm not gonna only tell you, but I'm gonna show you what to do. And if you don't like how I talk and what I say, then go to someone who will say what you want to hear. I am raw. I'm gonna tell you how it is. I'm not gonna bullshit you. I'm not gonna tell you jokes. I already made one video about depression. This is a little bit different story, but it's almost the same approach, you know. And that video stopped being promoted because I was cussing too much. It's not children friendly. Fuck that. I'm gonna say what I have to say. Like this video and share it. And help others, motherfucker. I bet you, if you search for help right now, you'll find out something like this. Am I looking good? Oh, hello there. In today's video, I'm gonna show you and tell you how to get out of depersonalization. Now remember, I gotta smile, I gotta be stiff, I gotta be neurotic. I must fool these people. I must fool them. Let's go. Let's do this. Yeah. Well, depersonalization can consist of a detachment within the self, regarding one's mind or body, or being detached observer of oneself. Subjects feel that they have changed and that the world has become unreal, dreamlike. It can be a disturbing experience. Chronic depersonalization refers to depersonalization disorder. True degrees of depersonalization and derealization can happen to anyone who is subject to temporary anxiety or stress. On the other hand, chronic depersonalization is more related to individuals who have experienced a severe trauma or prolonged stress or anxiety. Depersonalization is the single most important symptom. Other symptoms are anxiety disorders, clinical depression, schizophrenia, migraines, sleep deprivation, personality disorders. Now, what I would recommend you to do is take these tablets. 2 of these and 2 of these. 1 in the morning and 1 at night. And you'll be alright. And if you have time, go to my description right now. I have 10% off of these tablets and my ebook on how to get out of depersonalization. And you can also use my code to get 10% off. It's I fooled you _10. This ain't shit. This ain't shit, you know. I'm gonna sound professional. I might fool some of y'all. I'm not gonna help you, you know. And what's the worst thing is you're gonna be thankful to me because this guy knows what he's talking about. Oh shit, I'm gonna do what he tells me. I'm gonna take these tablets and I'm gonna be 10 times more fucked up than I used to be. And after that, I'm gonna sit at my house and cry about all my problems. And I'm gonna die with my problems. Fuck this. Fuck this. Some of these people won't help you because they don't know what they're talking about. They don't know how. And some of them, because they have to lie to you. They have to put cash in their pocket, you know. They have to sell you medication. That's how it was. And that's how it will always be. Either way, you're fucked up. You know, you're fucked up. I already talked about this, but I can't address this enough. You don't need rifles. You don't need wars to kill people anymore. You just have to make them sick. And that's it. And that's easy. You have internet. You have all this social media. Too much information for your brains to process. You have porn, which emasculates men. You don't need rifles. I don't need to shoot you. You're already dead. It's gonna get every fucking thing out of you. Everything that's beautiful. Everything that's creative. It's gonna get it out of you. But you keep watching. Yeah. And that's cool. Kind of. But I want to help you, motherfucker. If you want it. Everyone is trying to control you. And your body finds a way to get out of all these fucked up things, all these problems, by getting into depression, into depersonalization, anxiety. And then you ask yourself, what the fuck is wrong with me? Nobody understands me. What the fuck is wrong with me? Everyone thinks I'm crazy. But you still remember those times when everything was alright, but they forced you into getting into these problems, motherfucker. They fucked you. You don't feel anything. You can't express yourself. You don't feel emotions. You're not sad. You can't smile. You don't feel anything. That's depersonalization. What I want you to do right now is put on your favorite song. Go to your basement or go somewhere where there's no one else and dance, you know. Dance however you want. You have to dance. Because I know you're scared to dance, to talk, to express in front of the others. Because they taught you that you cannot do this. That's not normal, motherfucker. You have to do what I tell you to do. You're under my control. Talk that. Shake your body. Put on the most emotional song you have and just dance. Just dance, motherfucker. Just dance however you want. If you don't know how to dance, do something, shake your body. Do something, motherfucker. Do something. Tap your body. Tap your body. Express yourself. Shake your body, you know? Shake your body. And makes these sounds. Every time you hit the ground. Close your eyes and breathe. Breathe deep. Think about all the bad things happen to you. All the people that try to control you, that try to fuck you up, that try to break you, that try to fuck up your dreams, your goals. Dig deep. Stop being in your head. Tap your body. Tap your body. Tap your arms. Tap your legs. Tap everything, motherfucker. Tap everything. Slap yourself. Don't be afraid. You know, I know you're scared right now. Don't be afraid. You have to do it. I mean, you can use medication. You can use all these tablets. And what they will do is only ease your symptoms, you know. But they will not fix the root of the problems. They will not do that for you. You have, as I said, you have to dig deep and find what caused all this bullshit. What caused this? After that video about depression, I've got a lot of messages. People asking me, but what about depersonalization? What about anxiety? This is what it is about. You know, this is my approach. You won't find this in your book, in your e-book. You won't hear this if you go to seminars, how to cure these problems. No, you won't find this on the page 74. No, this is from me. This is raw. Raw. And you have to do this. This will not immediately fix your problems. But if you give it some time, if you continue doing this, it will. It will. It's okay to be different, you know. The problem would be if we were all the same. Embrace depression, embrace anxiety, embrace depersonalization, because all these things you're going through will make you stronger, you know, than those who happen to have an easy life, and those who got everything served from their daddy and their mommy and their cousins. They will not reach their full potential ever, you know. Why would I try to invent something new, try to help you, if I'm satisfied with my life? Why would I? You know, if I'm average, I have something to eat on my table, I have a job, I have my children, then I have my grandchildren, and then I die of screws. And those people will tell you, you're stupid, you're crazy, you're fucked up. But fuck them, you know. They never experience what you have experienced, so they can't talk about that. At the end, I have to say this: all you have to do is believe, because when you don't believe, you do yourself a disservice, you know. Just believe, because I know that God and this universe will always help people who believe. Believe in yourself, believe in others, believe in those who don't believe in you, and show them what it is about. Hush, hush.
Silky beat.